Hello and welcome to this video on processing PDF files in Cyclone RPA Designer. To better understand how to configure and execute common operations on PDF files, we will use an example to explain the related functions. There are 4 steps in this process. Step 1 is to split the original PDF by page and save each page as a new PDF file. Step 2 is to convert each new file into image. Step 3 is to extract texts from even pages and output them as a new file. Step 4 is to extract picture from odd pages and output them as a new file. In Function Library, nodes related to PDF processing are under Application Automation and PDF. First, use Split PDF node to complete the first step. For original file path, use a variable to specify. Set the initial value of the variable to the file path. Remember to use quotation marks. If the file is protected by password, input the password in the box below. Choose Single Page Split and leave page number unchanged. Lastly, specify save root with another variable. Set the initial value to the folder path. Next, add a PDF to image node for step 2. The original file path is still the same variable. Leave password box and page number box unchanged. We can choose a higher DPI to make images clearer. Then, choose the picture save path. For the next 2 steps, we need to acquire the page number in advance. Use getPageNumber node. Choose the file path and save the page number as a new variable. Then, we should use for loop node to process every page. Note that a new variable called I has been automatically added. Set initial value as 1 and end value as the variable we just acquired. Increment is also 1. We can set different processes for odd and even pages in the for loop using if node. To do this, we need to first determine whether the page number is odd or even. But before that, we need to convert the page number into a string for future processing. Then, we can use a digital operation node to divide the page number by 2 and get the remainder. The first number is the current value I, and the second number is 2. The percentage mark indicates the getRemainder operation. If the remainder is 0, then it's an even page, otherwise it's an odd page. Store the output as a new variable. And then we can add if node and set the condition. If the remainder is 0, then it's an even page from which we need to extract texts. Add an extract text node. Set the original file path. And set the page number to the string variable we just converted. Save the output. Then we add a write to a text file node. Fill in the file path. including the file name and extension. Choose Yes for writing in a new line and set Writing Content to the variable containing texts. The output is optional and we can leave it empty. In Otherwise branch, we need to extract pictures from alt pages. Similarly, use Extract Picture node. Set the file path, page number, and save path. We can now try running the process. We can see that there is only an original file in the folder. After the running, the split files, pictures, and text file have all appeared in the same folder. And that concludes this video on processing PDF files in Cyclone RPA Designer. Be sure to check out the videos and our website for more information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.